Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you a new trick about how gamers or users of more RAM should have this app. Totally, this app is a full usage for any guys who always uses their usage. So guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install that app. So first open your Google Chrome browser or any browser, and this is only for Windows 10 or Windows 10 Pro. Yes guys, 1 minute. So guys, going after to the Google Chrome browser, just type MEMREDUCT, memreduct, download. Yes guys, and nothing will happen to your laptop. The first link, okay? Yes, this link. And guys, if you want to install it from there, if you don't get this, if you don't get this link, I will have put it in the description guys, so you can take it from there. And after going to that link, 1 minute guys. Yes, after going to that link, see here you go down and go to download memreduct setup. Yes guys, and that's all. And you can choose anywhere to see guys, first I have installed it, so now if you can choose it anywhere to install on your computer, any folder. Now save it guys, and wait for it to open it. As you see guys, you can set up it like this. That's all. It's very easy guys. Very useful for you to check your RAM usage. And click on this RAM, it will be like this for you guys. Just click on yes for memreduct and just finish it guys. See, it gets open like this, and see guys, and I'll get one update. Just finish that, and you can see my usage. See, and if your computer is lagging more, you can just clear memory. Nothing will happen. It will just clear the cake of your memory. Yes guys, that's all. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to my channel. You are viewing Robot Tech Gaming. Bye bye guys. Thank you very much.